Morning, my name is Scott. Hope you're having a great day wherever you are. So we're just going to have a quick follow-up on Bitcoin. So we were looking at it last week and called kind of a trade opportunity. So just want to have another look and see where we are in the longer term picture. So I just wanted to look at, you can see here back in 2015, these big impulses, and then it spends like a long period of correction where it basically goes sideways for 6 months, right? And then this is a week that it goes from here to here, and then goes sideways for a month, and then from here to here is probably about 3 weeks. So the reason I wanted to highlight that is that it's worth, even if you're just buying and you're not trading per se, it's good to understand how these patterns work, because they give you an indication when something, when a big move is probably going to happen, right? So if we look now, and also you can see this impulse, it kind of didn't pull back that far. It stayed midway, and then you see how this line here, that was the low. It never went below that point, right? Whereas this one had quite a deep pullback, and then from there it just followed that line up. Okay, so I think if you were to say, give an indication of what to expect from this one, I think this pattern, you could say, is probably more like this one, where it's not had this deep pullback and lurch. It's kind of about halfway. So based on that, I think, you could make a prediction to say it could just cruise along within here, maybe bounce, maybe come back, but probably won't get below that point, this line here. So I think you'll find that it's probably going to go along here for till the end of the year basically, and then at the end of the year it's going to pop out of this triangle, and then most likely I'd say it's going to then go up again. So it could always go down, but I think that your best case is probably that it's going to go up. So in the short term, I think there's a bit of a buy setup here. So if you just keep an eye on this trend line here, if it breaks above that, then that's your buy signal to go up. The sell isn't quite so clear, I think, because there's, it's come quite, where's the line? It's not so easy to make it out, but if there was a sell line, it could be that one, in which case but I think it's harder to tell. I think if you were to say, looking for a sell setup, you don't really have it, I think, be fair to say. You could potentially have one here, but I think it's not a very clear one. Maybe that'd probably be the closest one I think you could call, and maybe, yeah, I think that's probably okay there. So I think with either of those trend lines, you're looking for it either breaks out, consolidates, or breaks out, pulls back, and then goes again, or breaks out to the downside, pulls back, and goes again. And then that's kind of your, I guess, your day-to-day trading opportunity on Bitcoin. Alright, thanks a lot. If you got any feedback, please let me know. If you want me to do some analysis on any other stocks or cryptocurrencies or anything like that, just let me know. Cool. Thanks a lot. See you later.